Hello, YouTube. Welcome to RSA Passive Income Academy. We move on to the next analysis. As you can see from last week, also this was a good pair trade, which gave us 1:3. If I remember correctly, I closed somewhere here. 1:3 was happy. So next thing is to trace the market footprint. You can see price floor, price ceiling was printed the previous week. Price floor, price ceiling, price floor, ceiling, price floor, price ceiling. As we go forth, and I take the lowest price floor, highest price ceiling, then I plot my construction zone, equilibrium, and expansion zone. Right, as soon as that, it gives me the level, construction level, equilibrium level, and expansion level. So these are the zones here, and the next thing is to identify my price clutters. You can see price clutter here. This was going to be good trade on Wednesday if I had to put it here. As you can see, this was going to be my appreciation level. This was going to be my depreciation level. And price gonna move up, put my stop loss above just once it breaks the appreciation level, and was going to be definitely wants to trade good trade, but then take this position. So after price clutters have been identified with construction equilibrium and expansion zone, the next thing is to indicate my dumping and collecting zone. As you can see, this is my dumping zone, and the two collecting zone are printed at equilibrium level and expansion zone. Right, so the next thing is to identify my appreciation level. As you can see, I go to the chart from last price ceiling and price floor, then I denote my appreciation level and depreciation level. So the next thing is to see, based on the momentum shift, is it to the upside, to the downside, and with correlated with fundamental analysis, upcoming news, and then I'll then look at positioning my trade. All right, so with that being said, my entry model is only 20% of 100% overall system, which 80% is fundamental base, which gives me the direction of the upcoming week, upcoming month, and upcoming years. All right, so what I use fundamental for, and fundamental analysis is consist of fiscal and monetary side of it. So monetary side, it is central banks trying to control the unemployment changes or employment changes, controlling the flow of money, controlling the interest rate, inflation, and so forth, right? And looking at the other side, which is the political sphere, which is your fiscal policy, the policy that comes in with different politician, depending which party is leading at that particular point, then analyze based on that and look at the market shift of different countries based on my analysis. All right, but for now we'll focus on this pair and with my entry model. So I'll be looking for this pair to break this price flow. Already you can see the depreciation level is always past, so taking out all the clutter to the downward direction to the equilibrium zone, bounce back from collecting zone, form another appreciation level and depreciation level, and I'll be looking for entry to the upward direction. So that will be my entry if only the price prints happen according to my prediction, and then I'll be looking for the upward momentum shift And if it goes to the upward momentum shift from a construction zone, I'll be looking for price to break appreciation level to the dumping zone, and from the dumping zone to form another construction equilibrium and expansion zones with their levels. Thereafter, look at the print of new collecting zones and dumping zones. Then thereafter, I'll denote my appreciation and depreciation level. Thereafter, I'll be looking for entry to the upside momentum if the momentum does not shift to the downside. So that's going to be my entry for next week for GJ. All right. So let us trade, let us make money.